Dosage calculation. How do I change the what equals what to fractions? So let's say that I know that 44 pounds is equal to one patient. How am I going to turn that into a fraction? So you have to use your magic wand. Now this works best with your magic slate right here. So I could say 44 pounds over one patient, or I could have one patient over 44 pounds. It really doesn't matter whether I put the patient up top or patient down bottom. It's going to be the same thing, right? As long as I'm saying what's up top is equal to what's down bottom, it's going to work. So next, 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. How am I going to turn that into a fraction? I can say 1 kilogram up top over 2.2 pounds, or I can say 2.2 pounds up top and put that over 1 kilogram. Let's say that we know 20 milliliters is equal to 1 kilogram. How am I going to put that into a fraction? I can say 20 milliliters over 1 kilogram, or I can say 1 kilogram over 20 milliliters. Either one's going to work just fine. Let's say I don't know how many milliliters of IV fluid I need, but I know I need to deliver that over 15 minutes. How am I going to put that into a fraction? So you can have question mark mLs or question mark milliliters of IV fluid over 15 minutes, right? The more descriptive your labels are, the better off it's going to be for really complicated problems. For fairly simple units, fairly simple problems, you can get away with a vague unit, but if you have a really detailed problem, you're going to want a really detailed unit. Now, you could also say, hey, look, I want 15 minutes up top and a question mark number of milliliters down bottom. Once again, it's not going to matter as long as what you have up top is going to be the same amount as what's down bottom. The numbers don't have to be the same, but the amount does. How am I going to change 60 minutes equals 1 hour into a fraction? Well, I could say 60 minutes over 1 hour, or I could say 1 hour over 60 minutes, right? Even though this doesn't look like the same number, right? 60 looks a lot bigger than 1. We're still talking about the exact same amount of time. We're talking about 1 hour, right? That's 60 minutes worth of time. All right, that concludes today's episode. If you liked what you heard, be sure to click the subscribe and like button down below. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or if there's any particular topic you'd like me to create a video on, let me know in the comments down below. All right, well, I look forward to seeing you on my next podcast.